Want to charge your iPhone 17 Pro super fast? Here's a quick tutorial how to fast charge your iPhone 17 Pro. Step 1, you have to use the right charger. The iPhone 17 Pro supports up to 35 watts of fast charging, so grab a USB-C power delivery charger and a 35 watts adapter for your charging. Next, you can also make it even faster by turning on the low power mode. Low power mode, you have to go to the settings and then go to battery, and then in battery, the power mode, and then choose low power mode. Click continue. Also, we can turn off the background app refresh. So go back to the settings, and then you find general, and then look for the background app refresh, and we can turn it off. We can also put our phone in airplane mode for fast charging. You can go to the control settings and then click the airplane mode. So that's it. Hit like if this helped and follow for more quick iPhone tips.